Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Edna J. White, and I am your host today on Keeping It Real on Purpose. Thank you for arriving here to listen to me and or my guests each and every day. This is where we challenge your everyday thinking and your limiting beliefs around life, love, relationships, and your business to help you live your life purposefully. Now, I am your host, Edna J. White, your life purpose coach. Now, what I am here today to tell you is there's going to be some exciting changes coming to Keeping It Real on Purpose. And what do you say it's going to be? We are going to add some sponsorships from well-known companies that are supporting our podcast. Yes, because you, the listener, the audience, men, women, and children all around the world internationally have shared me and shared Keeping It Real on Purpose. We've gotten some people to sponsor us. So yes, we are going to be sharing sponsorships as well as having international guests who are speaking about different topics. Now, you know, in the past, we've been up and down and changing and growing and testing out, and now we are in the frame of mind to be beneficial to you. We are going to be adding to our episodes stuff you should know. We already are talking about inspiring women in business. We're going to expand that show till 2022. We are going to have a segment in January with some great guests around male empowerment media. And last but not least, we are going to introduce some wonderful women who are wounded to wonderful, and these are the women who they are right now. So those are four the most exciting episodes that are going to be coming up, and we're going to be working really hard to give you the value, to excite you about changing your life, to excite you about expanding your thinking, to excite you about letting go of those limiting beliefs and get the life, get the relationship, get the love, and get the business that you deserve, that you can create with your own mouth. Now remember to like, to subscribe, to share with your friends. Every Wednesday we are going to show up just for you, but we want you to be able to share the podcast on whatever platform you're on. So if you review us on Amazon or Apple, if you review us on Spotify, do whatever you need to do to share us so that we can get the word out. And remember, go for the joy. Life is where the joy is, and the joy is today. This is your host, Edna J. White, and I hope that this message gets out and that you are on top of every episode. See you real soon.